Welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we came with a new project. It is about emergency vehicle based traffic signaling system. Here we are placing an RF transmitter based module in an emergency vehicle like ambulance, fire engines and like that, and a receiver module circuit at the traffic signaling system, and we are controlling the total traffic signaling based on the emergency vehicles signaling. So whenever the emergency vehicle is arrived at the traffic signal center, and the traffic signals are totally controlled by the emergency vehicle signals. So the signal will be sent by the emergency vehicle like ambulance, and in which path it is coming, like 1 2 3 4, and the signals are triggered accordingly. So now we will go to the all the hardware included in this project, and we will see the output. So here we are included a transmitter module. Here we have connected with 9 volts battery, and this module will be placed in the emergency vehicle. So, and this total remaining system is placed at the traffic signaling center. And here we can see RF receiver module in the green color one, and this LED circuit will represent the traffic signaling, and red, orange, green. So four sections represent the 4 ways, 1 2 3 4. So here Arduino Mega used for controlling all the traffic signals, and this is all the hardware included. And there we have used a 12 volts 1 amps adapter, and now we will power on the device, and we will see the output. So now I have turned on the device, and the traffic signals are shown in a normal condition. So here I have not given any emergency vehicle signal. So when I turn on the emergency vehicle signal, and when I give the input as key 1, and the 1 data will be sent to at the receiver end. We can observe the data. Channel 1 LED is triggering. So when I click 2 will be triggered. So 3 and 4, like that. So based on this data, the LED's traffic signaling should be triggered. So now we will see. Now the path 1 is triggered. So now I will give path 4. Key 4 I will give as input, emergency vehicle. So let's see the output. Whether so the path 4 will be triggered to green. So now I will trigger key 2. So path 2 as triggered as green signal. So this is how this emergency vehicle based traffic signaling system works, and thank you.